We, you know that the sucrose, that is the cane sugar, on hydrolysis gives two hexose sugar, glucose and fructose. We already seen about the glucose, that is the preparation of glucose, chemical reaction of glucose, that is the open chain structure of glucose, ring structures of glucose in Fischer projection formula, in Haworth projection formula. Now what is remaining about the glucose is only the reducing nature of glucose, and after that we will see about the information about the fructose, which is the another hexose sugar. Now they always ask in the examination, prove that glucose is the reducing sugar, or why glucose is called as the reducing sugar. Reducing means glucose have the aldehyde group into that, and due to that aldehyde group there is the hydrogen atom which is directly attached to the carbonyl carbon, C double bond OH, and due to that hydrogen, glucose is the reducing sugar. Now the hemiacetal group of glucopyranose structure, that is the you know the pyranose structure, 6-member structure of the glucose, both alpha or beta, both is a potential aldehyde group. They have the aldehyde group, and it imparts the reducing properties to the glucose, because in aldehyde and ketone chapter we have seen that the aldehyde gives 3 properties which are not given by ketone. Which are that? Fehling solution test, then silver mirror test, that is also called as the silver mirror test, is also called as what is that? Tollens reagent test, and third one is the Chips reagent test, magenta color. All these tests are given by only the aldehyde due to the hydrogen atom directly attached to the carbonyl group in aldehydes, but in ketones such hydrogen is not present. So ketones do not give these reducing properties, or ketone do not reduces the another. Only aldehyde reduces the another compound due to the hydrogen atom. Reduction means addition of hydrogen atom. Now this glucose is also the hemiacetal group of glucose, glucopyranose structure, is a potential aldehyde group, and it imparts the reducing properties to the glucose. Thus glucose gives the positive test, that means it gives Tollens reagent test, that is the silver mirror test, which is done into the hard test tube, and the inner part of the test tube is shining due to the colloidal silver. We have to do that test in the practical also, that Tollens reagent test, which are given by the aldehydes, and such test, Tollens reagent test, is given by the glucose. So glucose is the reducing sugar. This is the first proof, and glucose have the aldehyde group which is directly attached to the carbonyl carbon. And second positive test is given by the glucose is the Fehling solution test, Fehling A plus Fehling B, in which there is the formation of red blood color, that is red PPT of cuprous oxide. We have seen that test in the aldehyde chapter, aldehyde and ketone. That is very important. You must do the study about that. That test may be asked into the examination. Fehling solution test, Tollens reagent test, and Chips reagent test, that are in the chapter aldehydes and ketones. So this Fehling solution test is also given by this glucose. So glucose is the reducing sugar. You can write this proof about the glucose, and if you have learned that test, then write down the test also, Fehling solution test, and that is the Tollens reagent test. Now representation of fructose structure. Next topic, fructose. Fructose is also the hexose sugar, but it is leo-rotatory because it rotates the plane of plane polarized light to the left hand side, and the rotation of the fructose, that is alpha D20 is equal to minus 92.4 degree. The negative sign shows that it is the leo-rotatory compound, that is it rotates the plane polarized light. You know the optical activity very well in the section second first chapter, that is the halogen derivative. Now study that again. And being it is alpha hydroxy keto compound, fructose is also the reducing sugar. They said that fructose is also the reducing sugar. They have the alpha hydroxy keto compound due to that. And in free state, this fructose is also found in the form of mixture of fructopyranose and fructofuranose. Now see on the blackboard. Now this in the combined state, the fructose is found in the form of only fructofuranose ring, but in the form of mixture it is found into the fructofuranose and fructopyranose. But the fructopyranose is a major and fructofuranose is minor. And the name of furanose is given to the fructose due to the analogy of the furan, which is the organic compound, which is the 5-membered heterocyclic ring, and just such ring is present of fructose into the Haworth projection formula. As we see in the Haworth projection formula of glucose have the 6-membered ring, but the Haworth projection formula of fructose have the 5-membered ring, and that structure I also show you on the blackboard in few minutes. Now see here on blackboard there are the Fischer projection formula and Haworth projection formula are shown of the fructofuranose. That is the furanose. Glucose is the 6-membered ring in the Haworth projection formula, but fructose have only the 5-membered ring. Now how the open chain structure of fructose is converted into the ring structure in Fischer projection formula? Let us see here. Now see here, that is the C5 hydroxyl group have the lone pairs of electron on the oxygen. Now that attacks on the carbonyl carbon of the second carbon atom, that is the ketonic group. At the same time, this O becomes O minus on that. This bond, double bond shift on oxygen. There is O minus and this hydrogen shifts on this. If the OH group, now see this CH2OH I just shown here. Okay, because I show the bond between the second carbon and this oxygen of the fifth. So this CH2OH group only just shift here. This OH, the hydrogen of the fifth hydrogen group attaches to this oxygen, and there is the bond between this C2 and C5 through this oxygen atom. Now see 5-membered ring how is there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and this oxygen. 4 carbon atom and 1 oxygen atom. Now this is the Haworth projection formula. See, this is alpha D minus 1. What is the minus sign shows? That is the anti-clockwise rotation. It is Leo rotatory, and alpha and beta are the only anomers forms of each other of fructopyranose. And see here, the second carbon atom, this in the alpha D minus fructofuranose, the OH group is right hand side, so I show lower side, and the CH2OH to the left hand side, so I show the upper side. And remaining are such, the third carbon have OH group to the left side, so the upper side, hydrogen is to the lower side, in fourth carbon OH group is to the right hand side, so I show here at the lower side. And this fifth carbon atom have this oxygen and that hydrogen, and this 6 is CH2OH group is. Very simple to draw the Haworth projection formula from the Fischer projection formula. What is we have to do only write the groups of right hand side to the lower side and left hand side to the upper side. Now similarly this beta D fructofuranose is also here, also see here also this oxygen lone pair attack on this carbonyl carbon. Suppose I show the double bond here, suppose this is second, then what happened when it attacks on here, this shift on this oxygen, this hydrogen attaches to this, so there is the OH group to this side and this CH2OH I just draw this, and this is the that is bond formation between the C2 and C5 carbon through the oxygen atom, and that structure is shown here. Now here see here on the C2 carbon OH group is left hand side, so I show here to the upper side, and CH2OH to the right hand side, so I show here lower side, and remaining are as it is. Now the negative sign shows that this fructofuranose structure, as they are similar to that of the what is this furan. This is the furan, and the structure are similar to that of the furan, that is the heterocyclic 5-membered ring of the furan molecule. So it is called as the fructofuranose. Now this is about the glucose and fructose, their Haber projection formula, Fischer projection formula, that are very important of the next topic of the reactions of or formation of disaccharides, etc., or that is the hydrolysis of polysaccharides. These are the reactions which are depends upon the Haber projection formula of fructose and glucose. So that are very important